Hey, this is Kevin. Welcome to my third month of my dividend dashboard. First, I'm going to take a look at the dividends themselves for each stock. I want to compare year-over-year dividends just to see if we get some increases, which is what I'm looking for. And as you can see in the green, a lot of them went up, which is great. We've got a REIT, which went up. Amgen, AVGO went up. These two I'm expecting, growth in the stock as well as the dividends. The shipping stocks, if you saw the first video, I said that was a risk with these stocks, and you can see significant drop in one of these and a drop in this one, but still 4.7%. That's great. That's just a great rate still. So we'll see how those pan out. This one's shipping held at 8.7%. That's great. JEPI, I didn't get the first month dividend, but the next two, my calculations come out to around 9%, which is great. I haven't got any dividends from Merck or RF yet. That's fine. SCHD, there's a big jump in dividend. The reason I'm comparing one year to the next is partly because SCHD seems to have a greater dividend in the fourth quarter. So comparing a fourth quarter to the first quarter is not really a good comparison. So year over year is really the way to look at this. Verizon just held steady, and the REIT ETF went down, which is okay. REITs will go up and down. It's kind of unpredictable. But overall, everything's going up pretty good, just like I hoped. Now let's take a look at the dividend dashboard. You can see here the value is below our starting 100,000. So, stock market goes up and down. You can see initial 100,000 went up a bit, down a little bit, down more. That's just the nature of the stock market. That's fine. We're really concerned about getting dividends is the focus here. You can see there's over here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 stocks went down. 4 went up and 2 stayed about the same. The bonus to this going down, SCHD went down quite a bit, was that I was able to purchase a few thousand more shares of SCHD, which means that much more dividends. I won't be showing that in this portfolio. I'm keeping this fixed at our starting investment of 100,000 just to see how this goes. But my portfolio is much bigger and wider than this. This is just what I got late December, and I'm tracking this just for to share. And you can see here we got well over $800 in March dividends. It seems March is a big dividend month for this portfolio, which means we'll have June as well. May, June, September, December, those will be the big dividend months. So our total dividends here is $1,200, and the next 12 months, this is the estimate, this is probably a little low. This just takes the previous dividend and multiplies it by 4, basically. The SCHD has a much bigger final quarter, and that's the one of the biggest holdings in this portfolio. So this is actually going to be much bigger in the end, but we'll see when the end of December comes. Yeah, so that's where we are at 3 months. I also changed what I'm doing with the money. I'm saving up for a car. Once I get that car and retire, then these dividends will be used for living expenses. You can check more out about saving money on kevinsfrugalblog.com. Thanks for watching.